y'all doing today? My name is Jay Danberg with MarineMax Panama City Beach, and I want to show y'all a very unique opportunity to own a used 2019 Grady-White 216 Fisherman, and this one has the upgraded power, the Yamaha 250. Let's check it out inside. I'm going to tell you a couple of the highlights of this boat that I love. For a 21-foot boat, it has all your big boat features. Let's start with the platform back here. So it's a 21-foot boat, hence the 216 Fisherman, but with that platform, it's actually a 23-foot boat overall. Great running boat with a 250. You've got good seating for the family. Hardtop, T-top here. Lots of rod holders throughout the boat, so it's definitely a fishing boat. Huge live well under the leaning post. A thing that is extremely unique about this boat, it's a 2019 used boat like I told you, but it only has 4 hours on it, so you can save a ton of money because it is a used boat, but it obviously is like new, only has 4 hours on it. Nice full enclosure here, and then we also already have a Garmin 9-inch GPS bottom machine installed, so the boat's ready to go. This one has the cushion package up front. Check that out. Backrest, lift up, rotate around. You got fish boxes up front, and then a nice built-in cooler up here. So the Grady-White 216 Fisherman, you still get that classic Grady-White ride. Soft, stable, dry, CV hull, and I love this color. It's an awesome family boat that you can go offshore in. So come check it out. You can contact me directly on my cell phone. It's 225-806-3403. Thanks a lot.